So this lesson today is about job etiquette. The first thing we need to learn is to be on time. Your boss is counting on you to be on time so you can do your job. When you're running late or you're sick, you need to call in. Call your boss and let him know that you're sick or that you're running late. Because if he doesn't know and you just don't show up, he won't be happy because he won't know where you are and you can't do your job. Another tip is to follow all directions. If you follow all the directions, then you'll be able to do your job correctly, and following directions can help you keep you safe. And the last piece of advice for job etiquette is to have a happy attitude and use positive words. So now we're going to take a quiz. Okay, so now I can see the student has answered and he got the answer correctly. Correct. That was okay. Now we're going to watch a quick video, but I'm not going to do that in the screencast. And now we're going to draw a picture of what you should look like at work. And think about what you're wearing and what your face should look like. Should you be happy or mad? What should you look like when you're at work? So now we're just going to wait for the student to submit his drawing. Right, let's see the student's work. Oh, it looks like he submitted it. And this is what your drawing looks like. Wow, good job, Greg. I like that drawing of a happy worker. All right, here's an open-ended question. What makes a good worker? I'll wait for the student to answer. All right. There we go. His answer. Happy, on time, and work hard. Thank you for your answer. Okay, this is a virtual tour of a cafeteria, one place that you might possibly be able to work. As you can see, all of the tables are clean and wiped off. The chairs are pushed in nicely. Those might be some jobs to have in a cafeteria to make it look nice. Or there could be jobs like maybe back there in the back there could be like cooks or serving food. All right. And now here's a fill in the blank for the student to try out. And we're just going to wait for the student to submit their answer for fill in the blanks.